to many places around the world, but hadn't seen much of our own country. So we decided it was time to explore Canada. Come with us on this magical journey as we experience the beautiful British Columbia.
Helicopter ride, Vancouver Island, here we come.
We just arrived on Vancouver Island. Helijet, which is right behind me. Smoothest ride ever and beautiful views. Now we're gonna go and explore the island, do some hiking.
I wanted to rent a little beater car to drive around Vancouver Island, and this is all they had available, so that's what we got. I've never driven a BMW before, and it really wasn't much to rent it. It was like 60 bucks. We're driving along the coast of Vancouver Island from Victoria to Port Renfrew, and it's one of the most stunning drives we've ever done. Like, the trees are huge. The forest, you can just tell that they're like way older than the forests that we have in Ontario. The trees are bigger, everything's more lush, like it's covered in moss. It's beautiful. Canada is one beautiful country.
Many people don't know that Canada has a rainforest in British Columbia. And you might think, if you haven't been to Canada, that it's just covered in snow all the time. It's January right now. It's winter time, and I'm in a spring jacket and I am warm. So it's not always cold over here. The air in BC, even in the city, but especially in this forest, is unreal. It cleanses your body, your soul. I feel like I just can't breathe enough. I just want so much of it inside of me. It's amazing. Oh, I love it so much. After wandering around this magical island, we headed back to the city to explore more of beautiful BC, the Canadian province that has quickly captured our hearts. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to do so you never miss out on any upcoming adventures. Happy travels!